Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to send money from Revolut to PayPal. So let's get into the video. Alright, so as you may be aware that in Revolut you don't really have a direct method to send money to. Okay, in Revolut we can send it to other means, to bank accounts and other ways, but if you see, you don't really have the option to send it to a PayPal account. So what you can do, we can break this process. We have a workaround and we can break this process into two. And firstly, transfer the funds to our bank account that is connected to our PayPal as well. So to choose the common bank account that's connected to both to your PayPal as well as here Revolut. So what are you going to do? Click on transfer tab here, all right, and then on your top right click on new, and then here choose bank recipient. So when you click bank recipient here, my screen might black out due to security reasons because I'm screen recording it. So enter your account details of your bank details, okay, that's linked to your PayPal. So enter that in and then complete the transaction, all right, and then finish up the process. So in that way video will be sent from your Revolut to so in that way the amount will be transferred to your bank account. So now once that's done, so what are you going to do? Go back to your PayPal. So open up your PayPal. I'm going to look for my PayPal. Where is my PayPal? Should be somewhere here. Let me have a look at it. All right, there you go. So that's my PayPal. So I'm going to log into my PayPal. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to add in money. So now I have the funds in my bank account. So I'm going to add into my PayPal. So go to my wallet here. Okay, sometimes my screen might black out due to security reasons. So all you have to do now here, if you go hit on your wallet and then open up your PayPal balance. All right, so my screen might be blackout, so because I'm screen recording it. So all you have to do, open up your balance and then hit on add money. All right, then hit on add money and then add the money, the amount that you just transferred from Revolut, add in the same amount. Okay, so add the same amount and then add that same amount from your bank account that you just transferred. So in that way you can transfer the funds from your Revolut to your PayPal through your common bank account. So that's how you can do this, the workaround we have at the moment. So I hope this video is helpful. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.